Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about deal sourcing and deal selling. That's packaging deals and selling them specifically during lockdown. Is it possible to package and sell deals during lockdown? And the answer is yes. Now, is it easy? Maybe not. I just packaged and sold a deal in the last week. £3,600. Tell you something, it's the hardest £3,600 I've earned in a very long time. It is not easy, but it is possible. And if you can be doing one deal a month right now and just kind of like just about doing it and scraping through and doing one deal a month in lockdown, just think when lockdown finishes, suddenly it's going to seem really, really easy. It's like when my personal trainer makes me do press-ups and he puts things on my back and stuff. And then when he takes them off and I do a press-up, it feels like, oh, this is easy. It's the exact same. If you can package a deal during lockdown and you can sell it to an investor during lockdown and you can do that once a month and make a few £1,000s a month, you're doing a lot better than most deal sourcers right now who are quitting, who are just at home and thinking, you know what, let's just have a little bit of a relaxation holiday. So it is possible. It is also hard. Let me answer a few questions that have been coming in from the DMs, and then I want you to comment your questions below, as I am going to probably do a follow-up video to this video, as I know that it's a big subject and people have a lot of questions. So while I'm speaking, if you have a question that pops into your brain, comment below, and I will do my best to answer in the comments or do a follow-up video on this. So listen, here's the big problem. The big problem is that you can't view houses right now. And you can try, but it's very difficult. If you pick up the phone right now and ring an estate agent on Rightmove, they're not going to show you around the house. So that's a problem, because how can you find houses? How can you find deals if you can't view houses? And worse than that, how can you sell a deal to an investor when the investor can't even view the house? And the investor knows that you've not viewed the house. Like, surely this is just impossible. Well, no, it's not impossible. And here's why not. Because just because you can't view the house does not mean that the house cannot be viewed. Now, who's better at looking around a house and weighing up whether the inside of a house is in good repair or bad repair? You or a property building surveyor? Well, probably a property building surveyor. So if you don't view the house, but you send a surveyor to go around the house and do a building survey, you can do all the due diligence on the area and the demand and the streets and the agent and the power team. You can do all that online from your laptop. The only thing that you can't do is you can't look around the house. But if a surveyor goes around the house, that's like belt and braces, double good, double assurance to the seller. So when I spoke to the seller, when I just sold a deal and I'd actually had builders and stuff go around, I said to her, that's better than me going round, which gave her real confidence. So that's the first thing. Secondly, is you can have video tours, pictures. So just because you don't go around doesn't mean you can't have a good account on the inside. So send a surveyor, get builders, get pictures. There are surveyors right now that are still working. So as long as someone goes around and you are honest with the investor and you say, look, I haven't seen it, I haven't been around it, but I have negotiated the price. I have done the due diligence. I have done this, that, the other, done these checks, and this is the price. These are the checks. This is the video tour or the survey or the builder's quotes in the house, and here is what I have. Pass them the details, give them the address, give them everything, make them sign an NDA, which is a non-disclosure agreement, which means that when you pass them the property, they can't then look at the details and then just cut you out because they've signed a confidentiality agreement. Let them look at the details, and then if they're happy, take a fee off of them. And listen, the investor doesn't even want to go and see the house anyway normally. I mean, sometimes they do. And if they do, you can say to them, well, look, right now, it's probably going to be difficult for you, but pay me my fee. Let's get the ball rolling and then go and look at the house after lockdown, because it takes 2 or 3 months anyway for a house to complete. And if there's anything that you're not happy with down the line, then of course you're not obliged to buy the house. You're not buying it on auction terms or according to Scottish law. So you can pull out and walk away. So that's kind of the gist on how you can package deals and sell deals in lockdown. As I say, it's not easy, but if you can just do one a month, even if you just look for properties that have already got surveys on them, just say, look, Has the house been surveyed, or have you got builder's quotes or anything? If not, move to the next one. That's going to mean you're going to lose a lot of deals, but you're still going to come across some deals that you can package and sell. There are investors right now that are looking to buy houses. They are looking for cheap houses, but they are looking for houses right now. They're buying. So here's my advice to you guys. My advice is to be positive. My advice is to keep working. I saw someone post something really stupid on I think it was Facebook, where they said they were basically attacking people that are saying to make the most of this time. So people that are saying, you know, work hard, educate yourself, learn, come out of this stronger. And they were like, no, and they were attacking that and saying, no, just relax and be safe and be at home. Listen, you can be at home and you can be safe, but you can also better your skills, better yourself, and be an entrepreneur. And if you're not making money or attempting to make money right now during this time of lockdown, then you are not a true entrepreneur. So my job as your YouTube trainer and mentor is to give you the skills, to give you the encouragement, and to give you the support in order to actually start making some money and to get through this crazy time. So if you have any questions about deal sourcing or packaging or anything like that, comment below on this video and I'll do my best to answer in the comments, or I'll do another video, a follow-up part. Thank you for your support as well. I hope you enjoyed the documentary that I put out yesterday, where I got a lease option agreement, I packaged and sold a deal. I'm going to be doing more crazy videos. I'm going to be putting out some really, really awesome content, because believe me, I'm studying right now. I'm speaking to some of my top mentors. I'm talking about what's going on in the times, what's happening with the economy, what are the best strategies, what are the strategies that are not so good, and everything that I'm learning, I'm going to be sharing and putting it out on YouTube so that you can learn as well. So if that sounds good, smash the like button. Also, if you're not a subscriber and you watch my videos, turn the subscribe notification and bell on. So hit subscribe, turn the bell on, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Peace out.